no gold is not enough.
Let us move on. That is sending fake email or identifying in your own mailbox that how to, that whether the email which you have received that is an authentic email or not. So let us continue. So here this is a fake email script which has been coded by me. I will provide you with the script, and this script has been hosted in one of my servers. I will also tell you the process to host the server. Ajit Kumar, can you please state your question? What is the problem? So this is a fake email script. So anyone can please provide me with your name and email ID. I don't want your password. Just your name and email ID in the chat box. Anyone, please. Okay, so Yash Niktam has provided. So guys, okay, I got it, guys. No more, please. I will use Yash Niktam's data. So his name is Yash Nikam. Yash, your email ID is with the name of Yash Nikam, right? Your profile's name is Yash Nikam, right? Yash, please reply. Your profile's name is Yash Nikam, right? And it has a profile picture. Anyone who has a profile picture in his or her email ID, please tell me. Debojyoti Datta, do you have an email ID in your Debojyoti Datta? Debojyoti Datta, do you have a profile picture in your email ID? Okay, Orgo De, he is telling he has a profile picture, so I am using Orgo De's data. Okay, so guys, I have not taken Orgo De's password. Here in the form, you can see there is a from name, from email ID, to name, subject and message field. So I have in the from name and the from email ID, I have used Orgo De's details. In the to mail, I will use my own email ID so that I can show you that the mail is coming. In the subject, I am writing, suppose ethical hacking workshop. And in the message field, I am writing you are hacked. So basically, I will use Orgo's email ID to send the email to my own email ID, where the subject will be ethical hacking workshop and the message will be you are hacked. And I can assure you this message will not go into your spam folder. Rather, it will come as an important message into my email box. So let's check. I am sending the mail. So here it is showing mail has been sent. So now let's move on to my mailbox. So everyone know that I have not used Orgo's email ID. And Orgo, can you please just check your this thing email outbox, that is there any sent mail from there? Orgo, can you just check and tell that is there any sent mail with that subject and password, subject and text in your mailbox? So he is saying no. So therefore, I am logging into my email. So I have authenticated it. So let's wait. So see, I have got the mail from Orghode that this is Orgho. This is Orgho's email name. This is Orgho's email ID, and this is Orgho's profile picture. This is the subject that I have used, and this is the message that I have used. So this is how you can see. I have, without using Orgho's password, I have used his email ID to send the email to myself. So now now this is a fake email. Everyone knows this. So how to identify that? To identify that, there is a particular option here. Here, if you click on this three-dot menu, there is a particular option called, one second, show original. Once you are clicking on the show original, you can see that the D mark which is coming, that is coming as failed. Now let me show you two mails side by side, one an original mail and one an fake mail. So let me find out an original mail. People generally don't send me original mail. That is the problem. Guys, please stop asking question. I will open the question answer session and then everyone can ask their question. For now, please look at the process that I am showing. Please focus on that. Yeah, so here see, I have opened two emails side by side. Here you can see that the DMARC is passed and here you can see that the DMARC is failed. Another thing, see, here after Orgho's email ID there is gmail.com, but here it is something called triplehost.io. But here see, it is iemlabs.com. Sorry, it is iemlabs.com, and here it is mail.google.com. As this is a G Suite, that is why it is coming as mail.google.com, and iemlabs is the G Suite for that. So this is how you can differentiate and you can find out that a mail that you have received, that is a fake mail or that is an original mail. Now I will answer all your questions, that how to use or what is the software. This is not a software, first of all. This is a simple HTML script that is being written by me. I will give the HTML script in the WhatsApp group, and I will also tell you the process how to use this. Acha. Which website do you use? I didn't use any website, Ananya. This is a script that is developed by me. So I will provide this to you. Except this doubt, if anyone has any doubt, please ask me. Except this, if anyone has any doubt, please ask me. Yes, Praveen Kumar, I can test you. I can test your email ID. Please send your email ID. Praveen Kumar, please. Yeah, I got your email ID, Praveen. Thank you. Yes, Nikam, this is not a Python script. This is a HTML, simple HTML script. Debayan Banerjee, DMARC is a check. This is a basically a check from Gmail. Guys, I will provide my email ID. Please don't worry. I will provide my email ID. Raja Chaudhary, this uses the Google SMTP server. So I have coded with like that only. Sagar Kedare, no, the sender does not know about the mail. Bishwajit Chaudhary, please state your concern once again. Ronak Das, TripleHost.io is a web service provider who provide simple, free web hosting services. Those who cannot join the WhatsApp group, guys, please be patient. After the workshop is over, we will manually add everyone to the WhatsApp group. So please stop sending WhatsApp questions here. Acha, so yeah, I was testing some other email ID. Yeah, Praveen Kumar. So let's check Praveen Kumar. Acha, I am sending it to another email of mine. So I have written subject as test and message as hi sir. So I am providing the captcha and send. So the mail has been sent. Now let me check my mailbox. Hitesh Pamar, yes, the websites can take some actions against you. Aniket Roy, you need to learn HTML coding to do this type of coding. I will explain you in the WhatsApp group, so don't worry. I don't know, somehow the mail is not coming. Let me try once again. Praveen, can you... Praveen, just send me your name and email ID once again, please. Praveen Kumar, please send the name and email ID once again, please. Okay, so this is the name of the user account. And email ID. On image, I am showing it's in Praveen's account. Please, I cannot show in everyone's email. We will not be able to finish the other topics then. Yes, Ratnadeep, we can use any account. There is no issue with that. Devan Banerjee, yes, DMARC and DKIM both are same. Praveen Kumar, there is some issue with your mailbox. I don't know. I am using Animesh Hajra's details. So let me check with Animesh Hajra's detail. There is some issue with Praveen's email. It is not working. Animesh, your name's H is capital in the mailbox or the H is small? Hajra's H is capital or small? Please tell me. Yes, Animesh Hajra's mail has been received. See. Animesh Hajra's mail has been received.